So good morning students. Today we can see the block diagram representation. Okay, that is the differential equation topic from third unit. So the under a differential equation, the system will be connected in four forms which can be represented in block diagram. That is direct form 1, direct form 2, series and parallel connection. So for your series and parallel is important. So before that we can see about direct form 1 and direct form 2 structure. How we are getting the direct form 1 and 2 from given differential equation. So this is the given differential equation. So it's a third order form, that is d cube y of t by dt cube plus 4 into d squared y of t by dt squared plus 7 into dy of t by dt plus 8 into y of t, it is equal to 5 into d squared x of t by dt squared plus 4 into dx of t by dt plus 7 into x of t. Okay. So first we are going to represent in direct form 1 structure. So in order to represent the direct form 1 structure, okay, either we can represent Laplace transform or Fourier transform. In order to represent Laplace transform, you want to replace d by dt by s. Okay, so now in this differential equation we are replacing all d by dt value by s. Okay, and we are replacing y of t by y of s and x of t by x of no need to is x of t by x of s. Okay, so what is the representation means? D of t by d by dt is s, y of t by y of s. In this equation, given differential equation, we are replacing d by dt as s and y of t by y of s, x of t by x of s. Okay, so here this d by dt value is replaced by s. So now this equation become s cube y of t. Okay, so here d by dt is replaced by s. So here d squared. So it is s squared y of t. So here d by dt is s. So s into y of t. And what is y of s? Y of s is y of t is replaced by y of s. Okay. So this equation can be written as s cube y of s because y of t is replaced by y of s plus 4 into s squared y of s plus 7 s into y of s plus 8 y of s. Okay, which is equal to 5 into s squared x of t is replaced by x of s. So 5 s squared x of s plus 4 s into x of s. So now replace all this value in the given equation. So we got the equation as in this form. Okay, s squared y of s plus 4 s squared s cube y of s plus 4 s squared y of s plus 7 s y of s plus 8 y of s, it is equal to 5 into s squared x of s plus 4 s x of s plus 7 into x of s. Okay, so now from this term take y of s as common. So what is the remaining value? Y of s cube plus 4 s squared plus 7s plus 8. Okay, so from this term we are taking y of s as common. If you take y of s as common, what is the remaining value? S cube plus 4s squared plus 7s plus 8. Okay, and from this term take x of s as common. So what is x of s? If you take x of s as common, what is the value? 5s squared plus 4s plus 7. Okay, so in order to make into the form y of s by x of s, we are taking this y of s and x of s as common. Okay, so now because our impulse response, that is h of s value is y of s by x of s. So in order to make y of s by x of s form, we are taking y of s as common from this term and x of s common from this term. And we got from this find the value of y of s by x of s. Okay, so we got 5s squared plus 4s plus 7 divided by s cube plus 4s squared plus 8. Okay, so now so make all the value as divided by s value. Okay, divided by s or divided by s square. So in order to make in this form, we are taking here the first term. From first term we are taking s squared as common. If you take s squared as common, what is the value here? 5. Here from when you take s squared as common, what is the value? 4 by s. And from here if you take s squared as common, what is the remaining value? 7s. 7 by s squared. Okay. Denominator also take s cube, the first term. Okay. Take the first term as common. That is first term means that is s cube. Okay. Degree term. So s cube as common means you got 1 plus 4s square, 4 by s plus 7 by s square plus 8 by s cube. Okay, so you got this value. So it is y of s by x of s. So I said you what is y of s by x of s, that is h of s value. So h of s equal to, so from this, so in previously we have cancelled here, we have taken s cubed s squared as common and here s cube as common. Okay, so s squared get cancelled here and here also if you cancel s squared you got 1 by s value. Okay, so 1 by s into 5 plus 4 by s plus 7 by s square divided by 1 plus 4 by s plus 7 by s square plus 8 by s cube. Okay, so now you can take this 1 by s to inside, so it becomes 5 by s plus 4 by s square plus 7 by s cube. And here numerator is 0 and denominator is a pole value. You know, numerator and it is a denominator. So now in direct form 1 structure, you want to draw the pole values at the right side. Okay, and the numerator value, that is 0 values, to the left side. Okay, so coming to the structure of the direct form 1, if you take this, that is y of s by x of s, if you take this answer, so it is the numerator and it is the denominator. So first take the numerator. So x of s, so first value is, what is the first value? Take the numerator. So the constant value here is 0. So there is no constant value. So first term is 0. Okay. So now with this first term there is one next first term plus what is the next term? 5 by s. So 1 by s is one delayed term. So now you want to multiply one delayed term here, that is 1 by yes. Okay, you want to multiply one delayed term with 5. Okay, so you want to multiply 5 with delayed term with 5. So 5 into 1 by s. Okay, 5 into 1 by s. So now the constant term and this 5 by s is add with the adder. Okay, so both the terms are add with first 0 plus. So now this 5 by s and it is add with the adder. Okay, and what is the next term? 4 by s square. So now again you want to draw 1 by s. So 1 by s into 1 by s, 1 by s squared now. So now this 1 by s squared is multiplied with 4. So you want to draw one 4 here. So now it is add with the adder. Okay, again there is one adder. So first adder and this is the second adder, that is 5 by s plus 4 by s squared, and next for third adder, that is 7 by s cube. Again you want to multiply another 1 by s cube and that is 1 by s cube into 7. So it is add with the adder. Okay, so it is the numerator value. And now this side you want to draw the denominator value. So what is the denominator? First denominator is 1. 1 again plus what is 1 by s into. So while writing the denominator value here, pole values, okay, you want to write in the negative form. That is here minus 4, minus 7, minus 8. If there is a negative form means you want to write in the positive form. So here 4 minus 4 into 1 by s, here minus 7 into 1 by s squared, minus 8 into 1 by s cube. Okay, so it is the direct form 1 structure. While drawing the direct form 2 structure, it is in opposite manner. There is a denominator come in the first form and numerator come in the second form. So here the center region is the adder, here the center region is the delay value. Okay, so denominator first constant value and here you want to add with the, so I said you the pole denominator values while writing denominator you want to represent negative form. So minus 4. So here 1 by s minus 7 into 1 by s squared minus 8 into 1 by s cube. When you are writing, so it is combined. You can draw separately also in this form, or here also 2 adder you can, two delay you can draw either 1 by s here or 1 by, otherwise you can combine. Here also you can combine the adder and draw it. Okay, here they combine the adder because it is common for both numerator and denominator, correct? So they have combined. Either you can combine it draw or you can separate it draw. So direct form 2 structure is inverse of direct form 1. The denominator terms are come first and the numerator term come second. Okay, so this is about the structure of direct form 1 and 2. Okay, so in direct form 1 structure, the pole values are come in second side and 0 values, that is numerator value you want to draw first. Okay, so numerator here 5 by s. So first value constant 0 and next value is with the adder you want to add 0 plus 5 by s. Okay, 0 plus 5 by s and next value 5 by s plus 4 by s squared. Okay, 4 by s squared plus 5 by s. Okay, you want to add with add. Similarly, it is the inverse form of the direct form 1 structure. Okay, so this is about direct form 1 and direct form 2 structure.